I don't mean any offense, but recently someone came and posed me a question and said, "Tell me, why is it women have cleaner minds than men?" I said, "Because they change it so often." So it keeps on changing and changing and changing and flipping and flopping all the time. What happens in your mind is really of no consequence, because if you are willing, you can make anything happen in your mind, isn't it? You can't make that aspect of your life the driver of your life. It's a mistake, terrible mistake. So spiritual process means moving from the psychological to the existential, making that dimension within you, which is non-physical, which is beyond the body and the mind, to be the most dominant part of your life.